Alright. So big question. I just relogged in. Is the stuff that I was going to sell still in my backpack? Because it looks like everything I collected is still here. I got 2 flashlights. I'm missing... Oh, they're there. Sweet. Alright, so if you just quit the game after you come back to your bunker, your stuff will be saved. That's good news. Well, let's check the condition of these flashlights. It's good condition, alright. That's good condition. Ooh! I got a shotgun. Sweet. $100 for these things, and I only get like. Let's keep one more good one. Let's keep that. How much are these? 42 cents. I'm gonna keep these until I know if they're worth it. Let's see, so 49. Yeah, this is all worth junk. 42. Like $10. Cheap. Alright, $100. Sure. Alright, got some more money. Let's see if we get any more missions. Should. Not started. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so we got more enemies, and we need to find film. Let's do it. Into the radius. Oh, my health is still down. That was dumb. I didn't bring any meds. That was real dumb. Oh, hopefully I don't die. Did I bring any meds? Definitely did not bring any meds. Perfect. No ammo either. You can tell I am really good at this game. Alright, found our first artifact. Let's see what it does. Starlight artifact that vibrates periodically. Usually traces. Whoa, shoot! What's killing me? Oh, that thing. Where'd he go? There it is. Alright. That's another dumb thing. Should have had this on the whole time. I like how your hand, no arm, your hand goes in front of the light. Adds for additional realism and difficulty. Man, I didn't even bring the shotgun that I found. I'm an idiot. Oh. Uh-oh. You sound close. Oh, yep. You are close. Well, I died, but I didn't lose everything. Looks like whatever was on my person I got to keep, but anything in my backpack is gone, which is okay, because I didn't really have anything in my backpack in the first place. I'm still not 100% sure what killed me, if it was that walker or something else. Oh, I lost my artifact. Ah, dang it. Artifacts can be found. I won't get rid of that one just yet. Alright, so now we're going in. We should prepare. So let's bring a couple of these puppies. Might get hungry. Let's definitely bring at least 2 of these. Okay. I'm bringing this. I wish there was a place to carry this. Like, over your shoulder or something. Ooh, my knife is not looking so hot. What's my condition? Ah. Well, we'll use it until it goes away. Until it dies. But, take a spare. This is a pretty good loadout so far. Need some ammo. Don't have a lot of ammo. Should go buy some ammo. Go buy some ammo. Shotgun. Got 3 mags. Make sure those are full before I go. Okay, now, let's see, can I put this in the backpack? Come on. Put it in the back. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so I can. It should be over my shoulder. Perfect. Let's go buy some ammo. So I don't die again. Alright. Alright, we'll stick with that for now. 27 rounds. Alright, I want to see if I can pull my shotgun out. Alright, so it should be behind me. No, well, I guess I can pull this out and then pull this. But honestly, I don't want to have to do that. Whatever. I'm sure we'll figure it out. Let's take a nap till sunrise. I don't like going out in the dark. Is that sunrise? Honestly, can't tell. Sure. Wait. Sleep. Okay, sleep. Okay, should be sunrise. Is it sunrise? Can't tell. Looks like nighttime. Whatever. Let's go. Alright, full health. We got extra health. Here we go. Got extra health. Got food. Got a spare knife for when this one busts. We got spare ammo. We got our shotgun. We got our detector. Got our light. Got our gun. Should be good. I just remembered I can stick these down in here. There we go. Into the radius. Okay, same mission. Oh, and that shows me where I died. Right there. Right next to my objective. Of course. Let's go. See if we can't find another artifact up here. Oh, there's my bag. The one I lost in the dark. Is he dead? Jeez, these invisible ones, you can't even tell. Alright, now that we took care of those 2 guys, I believe we're good. Do a quick perimeter check before we go get our dead body. Whoa, who's shooting at me? That thing's shooting at me. say I was not ready for that. This game is not for children. There's some real terrifying stuff in here.
Birthday. We still had unfinished cake in the fridge. Napoleon, his favorite. He taught me to drive when I was very young. We had a lot of fun. My father was the silent type and didn't spend much time with us girls, but driving was something he could share with me. Though we didn't know when or how I'd get a car of my own. I was really looking forward to that day. The freedom. And what do I have to look forward to now? You might be my only hope. No pressure.
Wish you could open those. Whoa, whoa, what? What? What was that? What? What is hurting me? I'm so confused. Okay, I need one of my stems. Okay, I just need to get out of here, I think. I don't know, maybe there's toxic gas or something. I don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. Well, that's a flare. But I'm getting out of here before I die. No way. No way! Again? Screw it. This time, I'm just going... Oh! I kept these. I don't know what this is. Well, I'm almost out of meds, but I will take that one. I'll take a bit of food. I should be able to get this stuff from my backpack once I get out there. Let's see. Back into the radius. Alright, we're back. I want my stuff. Is it even... It has my second dead body. But I don't even see my first dead body. Is it even in here? Oh, there it is. Can I get my backpack? Please? Okay. I don't like hanging out in these warehouses because I feel like I'm gonna die. Okay, you just like stay there and then I'll grab and come back. How about that? Dang it. Doesn't work like that. Okay, flashlight. I don't know why I had that. Oh. Now I got two. Oh, my camera. That's right. Forgot I had a camera. Okay, something's coming. No, not again, not again. I'm not dying like that again. Don't know what this is. Okay. Don't see anybody. But I have to get this stuff. I have to at least... I just realized my artifact wasn't in there. I have to get this. I need it. There. And... Oh, yeah, that's right. I have 2 healers. Gotta keep those. Oh, no. That's right, I used one. Alright. Let's go get this freaking yellow... yellow film. Alright. We're heading back. No, not risking nothing. Unless I find an artifact, I'm going straight home. Whoa! No, 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 no! Can't die, can't die. Nope. Stop shooting at me. I am interested what that energy drink does. Time to give it a try. Restores my stamina, but no health. It's a quick stamina restore, I guess. Out of the radius